जेई मेंस 26 के इस क्वेश्चन में n निकलना है जो कि एक समीशन में दिया हुआ है. We are given that summation x varies from 1 to n. F of x divided by g of x is equals to 19607. We have to find number n. So, to find n, let's simplify for f of x and g of x. So, we have f of x plus y is equals to fx into fy for all x comma y belongs to naturals. And f of 1 is 7. So, both condition gives us f of x is equals to 7 to the power x. We can see if we put y is equals to 0 and f of x is as x. So, f of x is equals to 7 to the power x we get. Now let's look at the g of x. G of x is g of x plus y is equals to g of x into y for all x comma y belong to naturals, and g of 1 is equals to 1. So on simplifying, we will get 1 is equals to g of 1 is equals to g of 2 is equals to g of 3 and so on. That is, we can conclude that g of x is equals to 1 for all x belongs to naturals. Therefore, summation f of x divided by g of x will be summation 7 to the power 9 divided by 1. So, by formula, we get 7 into 7 to the power n minus 1 divided by 6 and is equals to 19607. Now multiply 6 into 19607, we will get 117642. Now on simplifying, we will get 7 to the power n plus 1 is equals to 117649, and we will divide it by 7. So we will get 7 to the power 9 is equals to this number, and we can see that this number is 7 to the power is 16807. So n is equals to 5 is our final answer. Thank you.